Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Thanksgiving gifts available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Philadelphia Thanksgiving Gift. You can celebrate the Thanksgiving holiday with these delicious crème-filled sandwich cookies. All dressed up with Thanksgiving tom turkeys. It has 4 cookies with Thanksgiving tom turkey decorations and 4 undecorated. These decorations are made in the USA. It is made with Oreo cookies covered in Philadelphia Candies milk chocolate. Philadelphia Candies offers 100% happiness on all chocolates. It has personalized message and gift wrap available during checkout. At number 5 we have Tidbit Thanksgiving Gift. These nuts are perfectly hand-picked to bring you only the highest quality. Each one of luxury nut baskets are double wrapped to provide you with the highest level of freshness. You can excite your friends, loved ones and co-workers with this lavish. This nut arrangement is practically and fashionably divided into 7 sections for your convenience. Whether you are gifting yourself, a loved one or a friend, this gourmet food basket will surely complement and enhance all celebrations. The exceptional flavors in each nut will bring joy to anyone who receives it. At number 4 we have Bonnie Thanksgiving Gift. The beautiful rustic wooden crate can be reused for a variety of storage purposes. It is fitted with a hook and can be used to hold tea-baked goods or collectibles once the snacks are finished. This packaging is sure to impress recipients and makes this gift sustainable and recycle-friendly. It is perfect for snacking and gifting alike. The right choice for holidays and occasions like birthdays, Mother's and Father's Day, Thanksgiving, etc. It is great for the office coworkers, teachers, bosses and most importantly yourself. At number 3 we have Astor Thanksgiving Gift. The perfect Peanuts Thanksgiving gift featuring all the classic characters, like the world-famous Charlie Brown and his best pal Snoopy. All of the delicious chocolate bars, squares and tablets are made in the USA with quality imported Belgian chocolate. From rich dark chocolate to creamy milk chocolate, each treat is made with love and care and shipped fresh right to your door. This chocolate bar variety pack featuring Peanuts characters is perfect for mom, dad, grandparents and kids. This Peanuts collection features 5 gourmet chocolate bars in a variety of flavors. At number 2 we have Tyson Thanksgiving Gift. It's a great idea that gives it to your family or friends as a gift. It's also good gag gift for autumn Thanksgiving birthday gift. I definitely got a good laugh out of it. The 2 pieces different pattern roll is placed in a bag and wrapped with a bow at the top. It is made of virgin pulp wood, triple ply for extra absorption, no smudging, printing, soft, delicate. It's a great fall birthday gift, very funny fall trick gift. At number 1 we have Mud Pie Thanksgiving Gift. It comes with 2-piece set and has watercolor ceramic tray. It comes with metal pumpkin topped wood spreader. It is dishwasher safe, microwave safe. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Thanksgiving gifts for your need.